Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2022, 15th September. Alright, so now we are here in this session to share what are we going to focus today. Alright, so we'll pick up some of the currency pairs to focus for selling. Alright, okay, thank you so much for coming in. Bradley, hi, and CK ni hao. Hubert, nice to see you here. Right, okay, Sabrina, oh, right. Good afternoon, Sabrina. All right, so yes, thank you so much. And now we are coming in here. Sawadee krap, Om. Nice to see you here. Right, so yeah, let's go into our analysis for now. Okay, well, so for now, Aussie CAD. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD. All right, Aussie CAD over here. Yes, Aussie CAD. Currently, what I'm looking at Aussie CAD over here is that Aussie CAD, let's look at the trend first. The trend is actually looks like in a downward, and after that a retracement, then after that swing down for a downward trend and again. Right, but today in the bear market, we are having a retracement. So today in this Aussie CAD, right, there's a retracement in the bear market. So likely there may be some buying there. So currently I will be looking at this level. If this level continue the selling, then we will be able to continue selling with the trend. So at the moment, right, I can see that there is one target over here that is actually about 26 pips away. All right, so this is somewhere that we can look out for. Right, so this is somewhere that we can take note. But however, since it's a retracement day, I'm going to observe it further before I take action. Okay, all right, next to go. What about Aussie franc? Aussie franc now has went down yesterday. Okay, so nicely done up the last 2 days and now retracing upwards. So I won't be touching this as well. So for Aussie yen, well, Aussie yen, yes, there's a good selling for the past 2 days, but now it met up with the support level, which we have identified it here. Then now it's retracing upwards again. So for Aussie yen currently, all right, I'm not going to touch this for a while. All right, so let's observe further. Then for Aussie Kiwi, let's take a look. Aussie Kiwi, we are still maintaining. All right, this is still on the bull to the moon. So buying is possible, selling no. Okay. All right, next to go. Aussie dollar. How about Aussie dollar? Well, Aussie dollar seems like it has come back here to the support and it started to get some movement of the bull from the support here. So currently, will it actually still come back to retest this area? I would say yes, highly likely, but it's going to be a long wait. So tentatively, okay, we can see that there's a new resistance setting up here. All right, so support is still right below here. Okay, so still here nicely. Okay, but we have one more that we need to take note that over here there may be one level. Okay, so Aussie dollar today, I'm going to put this into my watch list since we are on the resistance and now we are actually have a very good space to sell. So Aussie dollar is one that we can take note. Okay, so yeah, Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie. Firstly, let's see what's the trend first. As we can see over here, the trend over here is still a downward trend. Am I right? Okay, so it's still on a downward trend. So we are looking out for resistance over at this point here. So with this, they are now hitting on one of the support level over here. Okay, so we can see that it's actually meeting up with one support. So we can see the one support level is here, resistance is here, and we can see that this movement is right at the middle. So I would prefer to wait. Okay, so let's skip this. EURJPY, we are in the bear, very obvious. So now we are going to look out for where's the resistance. The resistance over here, nicely done up for EURJPY, and we actually swing down, and now we are on this support. Okay, so we are very near to the support level. So for EURJPY, we still have about 20 pips away to break the support before we can start selling. Okay, so this one I'm gonna skip this. Right, for EUROPOUD, to answer some questions over here for EUROPOUD, tentatively for EUROPOUD, it still looks like it's still on the climbing, right? But then again, is that there's a bear zone here. This bear zone over here, it seems like this is going to retest the bear zone and then probably will then start to retrace downwards. However, we are not sure about what's the futures coming around. Okay, so then probably we will just hang on first. All right, then we will see how it goes. All right, so Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen is starting to go coming back for the bear. It's starting to see. I'm starting to see that the bear is actually forming up for Euro Yen. So I guess something good over here. However, okay, there is one point that we need to take note. Euro Yen, I will only start to sell when it breaks the support below here. Okay, so we can wait for a while. Okay, so I'm going to put Euro Yen into my selling list. So let's wait for Euro Yen to break the support before we actually take action. Okay. All right. So Euro Kiwi over here. Let's see. Okay, Euro Kiwi, we are now escalating into the bull. So we have been in the bull for quite a while. So now we are still in the bull. So buyers can take note, but seller, we have to stay away. Okay. All right. So now for Euro dollar. So for Euro dollar over here, we can see it's very clear that we are still in the bear. So tentatively for Euro dollar, we are on the support. Well, support and the resistance has no change since yesterday. So now, for now, we are looking at this area here to break this area first. Okay, I need Euro dollar to break this area, then I will go for a selling. Okay, so Euro dollar, yes, Euro dollar. I'm going to put Euro dollar into my watch list. Okay, so next to go, Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie, tentatively we are in the bear, and today we are, after the retracement, we are now back into the prevailing selling trend. So where is the resistance that I'm going to look out for? All right, so for this, okay, we have a resistance up here. We can see, okay, it has already started to sell since it has tested the resistance up there yesterday, and now it's actually coming back to selling. Okay, so there may be one level here for a resistance, and the support level has no change over for this Pound Aussie. So currently, I would say that Pound Aussie is still good. Okay, still good for selling. All right, it's I would say that tentatively, okay, based on the trend here, we can see that the trend is actually coming back for selling to test on the support. Okay, so yep, will there be a chance? Will there be any chance that selling will still persist on? Yep, very likely. So waiting for a new cycle of selling, then we will go for it. All right. So Pound Aussie, yes, we can take note. Okay, for Pound Aussie. Okay, yeah, Pound Aussie. Right. So Pound Aussie looks good. Okay, so for Pound CAD, well, Pound CAD, we are also in the bear, right? Very clear, we are still in the bear. So tentatively, the bear is still running. So today is actually running back here. We can see the resistance over at this point here. All right, so selling from the resistance is there. Very clear. Right, support, some changes here. Okay, we are going to put the support here. Right, so there's any sorry, is there any space for us? Okay, we have about 58 pips of space. Well, that looks good. Pound CAD. Okay, so I'm going to put Pound CAD into my selling list as well. Okay, so Pound CAD. Okay. So how about Pound Franc? Let's take a look at Pound Franc. Well, Pound Franc over here, Pound Franc, we are in the bear. So currently, for now, this is in the bear. We are looking out for a support to get out of the bear, correct? Okay, so for now, I'm going to put this support downwards. Okay, over at this point, resistance. Let's see, there's one resistance over at this point here. Well, has tested the resistance, started to sell down, but hover around in this area. So are we going to continue the selling for now? I would say that for Pound Franc, perhaps we need to retest the resistance once again, okay, to confirm the resistance before we start selling. Okay, but it still looks good to sell today. Okay, so tentatively, I'm going to put Pound Franc into my watch list. Okay. Well, for Pound Franc, okay, this is going to be one. Well, Pound Yen. So Pound Yen, are we turning down for a selling today? I think for Pound Yen, we are very close to selling. All right, like I say, I want to break this level before I start to sell. Okay, and this is my target level. Okay, so I have about 120 pips after it breaks this level. So tentatively, I'm going to wait. Okay, so if there's anywhere that we can start selling from here to here, we have about 50 pips. Well, I guess we can take a short-term profit from there. Right, so pound yen, I guess, not bad. Okay, it's still looking good. However, just to be very careful, today may be a retracement day too. Right, so for pound yen, okay, I'm going to put this into my selling list. Okay, so yeah, hang on with me. Okay, so pound yen, all right, but do remember today pound yen may have a retracement going up to a certain level, so just take note. All right, we need more confirmation over here. So we have a level. Okay, I will say about this level here. Okay, we have a yeah. Okay, so now, although now we have a resistance, but actually there's one resistance actually about here, right? So this is something that we need to take note. Okay, somewhere, yeah. Okay, yeah. All right, so just take note. Okay, so for this now we are actually the resistance actually has started to move down. So one level here. Okay, and we are also looking out for if this is going to break above, then we are going to test on this level. Okay, so take note of this pound yen. Okay, pound yen, but it is good to sell. Okay, for short-term selling right now. Okay, all right. So pound yen, yep. Okay, so for pound kiwi, right? So for pound kiwi, okay, did I put pound yen into my watch list? Check. Okay, yeah. So for pound kiwi, well, pound kiwi, I hit up support and tentatively, okay, I guess I'm still going up for a buy, but the buy today we have some retracement, so wait for a support before you start buying. Okay, all right, for pound dollar, let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, okay, looks pretty good. Pound dollar, we are in the bear, and today we are actually coming back to retest the support. So today we are coming back to retest the support over at this point here. Still the same support, we have no change over here for 30 pips. For this, okay, for this is more onto this testing or retesting of the support level here. So take note, we have about 35 pips to go. All right, so I'm going to put pound dollar into my selling list. Okay. Right, so dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD today. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. As we can see, dollar CAD is actually dollar is going stronger again. Okay, so now it's still going to push the limit to reach to the moon. So tentatively, yep. For seller, we stay away. For buyers, look out for the resistance up there. All right, so dollar franc. Yep. Now it's still coming back for buying. So tentatively, no. All right, so no for selling. Sellers have to stay away first. So currently, yeah, just hang on with that. Okay, so dollar yen. Now dollar yen, all right, dollar yen. I guess dollar yen, we are still looking for a bull. Okay, in the bear, in the bull, we are still on the buying. So currently, okay, I won't be selling for dollar yen today. Okay, then for this part here, as I can see, okay. As I can see over here, we are moving. Okay, we are moving towards the support here. The support has started to move up. So this is a higher support, correct? Okay, so in that case, for now, okay, tentatively, if this is going to buy, I would suggest a pullback, hit on the support, then we continue the buying. All right, so that is for dollar yen. Okay, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, all right. Bitcoin, okay, I was looking at 23.45, okay, 23.45.7, but it has not met up with my target, but then it started to swing down. So will it be a pullback at the moment? Then it will continue to buy from 20,000 here. All right, so very likely it's going to cover up, okay, the area here. So I will say that tentatively look out for a support for Bitcoin, then we start to buy. Okay, right. Yeah, for gold, yes, for gold. Okay, so yes, for gold, we have met up with our target 1729 and started to sell from 1729 until it breaks 1708. and now coming into the low of 1688 as of now. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Okay, because at the moment, right, it's going to test the support. So for now, I guess gold is going to keep on will go on selling for a little more while. Okay, then we are looking at this area of okay, yep, this area 1673. Then there may be a rebound. Okay, so just take note about this. Okay, as well. All right. Hi. Good morning, Wasim. Namaste. Okay, so let's see what do we have to focus today. All right. Okay, let's see. Yep. Okay, let me send it out so that everybody can take a look at the flash. Okay, for my flash out. Okay, so yep. Okay, let's see. We have Aussie dollar, Euro yen, Euro dollar, Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Pound franc, Pound yen, Pound dollar. Okay, I guess all these. Yes. All right. So all these are for the selling. So if sellers you are selling, well, you may take reference from all these currency pairs that I pick out, and you can actually try to sell it when you meet up with resistance. Okay, then see whether if you can get a profit. Okay, all right. So yeah, I think that's all for this session. Later on, we will come back. Okay, later on we will come back in the London session to trade together. So do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can chat together. Okay, just voice your view. All right, in the London session so that we can discuss it together. All right. Touching Kuma, yes, I sell pound dollar at 115,400. 115,400. Okay. Take a look. Okay. Okay. 115,400. All right. Congratulations. That's good. Okay. So I think that's a good price here. Oh yeah, that's a good price here. Okay. 115,400. Okay. So it should be around here. Okay. Be around here. Huh? Yeah. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. That's a correct one. Okay. Good. That's very good. Okay. So we should be running about a 20 to 30 pips of profit now. Okay. Congratulations. All right, guys. So I shall see you later on. Do remember to smash the like button for this session. All right. Then we will be able to trigger a little bit. Okay. And do remember to comment in my video, so that it will trigger the algorithm for the YouTube channel. All right. So thank you so much. I shall see you later on in the London session. Thank you very much, guys. See you later.